And for our next bout, let's welcome Ramil Ruda Jr. And his opponent, John Paul Gabunilas. This is for the super flyweight
Challenging for the Philippine Boxing Federation. 8 rounds of professional boxing. Introducing first.
All right, there we go. The tail of the tape. John Paul, ang angas ng Cebu Gabunilas, will take on Ramil Roda Jr. Yan, magparehong edad, ha? 26 years old, 10 wins. Itong si John Paul Gabunilas. 7 naman yung si Ramil Roda.
Southpaw versus Orthodox.
Oo. Pakinggan natin yung ring announcer na si Mr. Jimmy Donton. All right, there was the formal introduction of the two fighters. This is a big one and a confidence builder, Mr. Alvin Go.
Yes, merong mga sinasabi sila it's a win or go home for both fighters. It means ang matatalo medyo
Dikado.
Another setback on his career, medyo malalim-lalim na yung hukay. So yung kung tawagin nila,
sakit na. Medyo malayo na, lalayo na sa rankings, sa puso ng mga promoter.
Yes, of course. Kaya kung sino ang mananalo dito will probably continue his career, and yung isa babalik na naman sa drawing board. So we'll see who will be the victor dito sa laban na to. Alam natin paano lumaro yung Gabunilas. Alam natin paano lumaro yung Roda. So it's a matter of adjustment on two fighters. So we'll see. Round number 1.
This is the 1 of 3 championship bouts here inside the new Cebu Coliseum. My name is Sandy Gruma with Mr. Alvin Go. Festive here with the Eliminator. But this is a PBF Super Flyweight Championship. We are scheduled for 8. And Gabunilas attacking Ramil Roda Jr.
Parang hindi nagbago yung style ng Gabunilas. He is trying to
psych up his opponent.
Oo. Kasi medyo stylistic yung yung Ramil Roda eh.
Look at the trunks. Omega.
Oo.
Black Mamba.
This reminds us of Kobe Bryant, no?
Oo.
Yung niya, yung passion niya tsaka yung
Attitude.
oo. Alam mo, on terms of power, wala naman akong sa Gapunilas eh.
Yan yung angas. Tingnan mo.
Oo.
But he should be careful. It happened to him when he fought Mel Fajardo at the Lapu-Lapu Hoops Dome. I was there. I was the ring announcer.
Dapat iangat niya yung depensa niya. Kasi Ramil Roda,
And so far, Ramil is very patient.
oo.
He is just waiting for Gabunilas to commit a mistake. And Gabunilas digs to the body.
Oh, oh! Gabunilas send Roda down to the canvas on round number 1.
And Roda looking at his coach. And he goes up. And I think it's okay.
And obviously Gabunilas will go for the kill.
What a fight. What an opening round for John Paul Gabunilas. But whenever he's out of the ring, when you talk to him, he's a soft-spoken guy.
Iba.
Hindi siya maangas kausap.
There's some switch dito sa batang ito. Pag nandyan sa ring, iba na.
Ramil Roda Jr. versus John Paul Gabunilas.
So far, Ramil Roda has not answered the bell on round number 1.
And look at the eyes. Ang tawag dyan, naglilisik yung mga mata ni John Paul Gabunilas.
Kala mo may sumanib na hindi maintindihan no?
Quick left to the face. The combination there by Gabunilas.
Hindi mo pwede sabihin, Sir Sandy, na nag-pacing ka eh. Bumaksak ka eh.
Tapos on the receiving end, itong si Ramil Roda. And he is now on the defensive end. At namumula na yung mukha niya. Final 10 seconds of this round. Round number 1. Nick Banal is the third man in the ring, the veteran referee.
So far, ito yung second knockdown sa card na to. Kanina si Trazo nakascore siya ng knockout sa laban niya. This time, what a comeback for John Paul Gabunilas, scoring a first round knockdown.
That's a 10-8 round.
10-8 round. Nandito pa pala si Leonard Sarcon. So everybody is in the building right now to gather this kind of a boxing stuff to be given to us by Chelsea International Promotion. Fist of Fury 10, the Eliminator.
To promote this kind of magnitude, it's very hard. But it's a very satisfying if you will see the result.
Yung Gabunilas, no? Akala ko there's something new, patient and everything.
Wala.
Yung lumaban siya parang, oy, sige, i-switch na natin yung on kasi eto na. 'Di ba? So we see the old of Gabunilas. Hopefully he would have that defense.
And in round number 1, Gabunilas scored 10-8 because he floored the Black Mamba, Ramil Roda Jr.
Now,
Let's see if he can continue it, and let's see the adjustment of Ramil Roda Jr.
Diyan magaling ang Omega, yung small inch of adjustment. Ngayon sumusuntok pa sa katawan yung Roda.
And so far, yung Omega boxing stable dito, 1-1 ha?
Oo.
1 win, 1 loss. This is their third boxer here tonight, here in the Fist of Fury, the Eliminator. 2 minutes and 20 to go. Round number 2 of a fight scheduled for 8.
Hindi mo talaga matuturo yung yung lakas at saka yung how he performed the ring. Nasa sa boxer na talaga yan eh.
May mga boxer na magagaling pero walang knockout punch.
Oo.
May mga boxer naman na one punch lang pero tumba ka agad.
Roda is now the aggressor to start this round number 2. Again, pinupuntirya ni Gabunilas yung katawan ni Roda. That left side na body, yun ang
Pinupuntirya.
ni Gabonilas. Kasi alam ko Gabonilas previously campaign sa 108 no? So step up to sa kanya sa 115 na siya ngayon So mabibigat na ang mga punches sa 115.
At sa tingin, kung titingnan mo, mas malaki ng konti itong si
Roda.
Ramil Roda.
Again, that body assault on the way for Gabonilas.
Gabonilas D to the body earlier.
Nakakatakot yung straight ng Roda.
Roda on the attack. Gabonilas clinging. Nick Banaut separating both fighters. 35 seconds remaining.
Pumasok yung yung body ni
Tumatama na yung mga short punches ni Ramil Roda Jr. sa mukha ni Gabonilas.
Tsaka dinadala niya sa corners. Iniipit niya doon.
20 seconds remaining in round number 2.
Oh, that body will hurt tomorrow.
Oh yeah, and maybe later on. Well, a very good round for Ramil Roda Jr.
Yes.
After going down in the first round.
He is the aggressor on round number 2. So, how do you score it? We don't know. Kasi, pero nakikita lang natin yung trending ng scoring ngayon, talagang malalapit. Malalapit, majority, split. Meron talagang ganun ang tema ng scoring natin. Medyo kailangan yung deeper para makuha mo yung victory.
Quick recap lang, yung may tatlong split decision win tayo dito. Majority win, majority decision kanina, at isang tumba lang dito, Justin Trazo versus Conrad Jason Agujar. 1 minute and 30 seconds in the very first round. So it's been an explosive boxing event.
Isang factor lang talaga for Gabonilas. Does he have that stamina to match his will and strong punches? Yun lang naman
that's a good question.
Yun lang naman ang question
so
ko sa
far,
kanya.
the adjustment by Ramil Roda in the second round worked so well for him after being down in the first round.
Kasi kung nakuha ni Roda yung second round at makuha niya itong third round, neglected na yung lockdown na yun
Would you like to see Gabonilas to be patient, or do you want him to see? Do you want him to be the aggressive fighter?
I want to see to pump his jab. Through all his career, wala siyang jab. He's relying on the power punches. Ayan, nag-iintay siya. He is trying to get that one knockdown punch.
So lakas lang yung panlaban niya.
So kailangan isuntok niya rin yung yung jab niya. Yun ang pang setup para sa mga power punches niya. So far yung nagdadala ng tempo from 2 until now yung Roda.
Roda versus Gabonilas. The PBF Super Flyweight Championship here, the Cebu Coliseum, and good dig there by Gabonilas.
Sa katawan talaga nasasaktan yung Roda.
Parang umiiling, ano? Nonito Donaire is in front of us right now.
Yes. Fourth division world champion Nonito Donaire Jr. Oh, what a combination by Roda.
Bumawi naman yung sinabi mga katawan, no? Good combination.
Yun ang isa sa mga tingin kong nadagdag din ni Gabonilas, yung kombinasyon niya, 1-2 combination. Dati wala yan, he's just relying on that right hand to connect. Ngayon meron na siyang 1-2 combination.
Well, I can see blood dripping down The nose of Ramil Roda Jr.
Pero matibay ang batang yan.
And look at Gabonillas. He stopped fighting and told referee Nick Banal, may dugo.
Oo.
And that is not your problem, kid.
It's not, hindi dapat ganun ang mentality mo.
Oh,
Di ba?
sabi nga niya, he smells blood
Oo.
and he goes for the kill.
Yes.
He saw blood, smelled it, and he didn't want to go for the kill.
Parang nandun lang kayong you're in the water, everything is taken pero hindi mo ginawa.
All right, so I think the doctor will check it. Eh kung sa suntok yun, mahirap yan kasi tinatamaan palagi.
Kasi yung wear and tear din ng Roda, yung last 2-3 fights niya, medyo swell lagi yung mukha niya. And then kaya nagkaroon ng should I say the word is reference na pag lumalaban siya, laging maga yung mukha niya.
So I think it's okay. Dr. Rene Bunsuvri checked the nose of Ramil Roda Jr. He says it's fine. Let's go ahead and let's fight.
Round number 4. Oh, should I say, right? Round number 4 of the scheduled 8th round. Maganda lagi yung start ng Roda eh.
Oo, tumama tuloy yung kanan ni Gabonillas.
Oh, that upper!
Oh! No! Oh, that was...
Wow, what a...
He was just standing in there.
Grabe yung Roda. I mean, yung Roda, yung warrior in him na lang talaga.
This is a dangerous one.
Dangerous one. This will be...
So referee Nick Banal should be careful with this one. Gabonillas smells blood right now and he's going for the kill. If this guy will not answer, referee Nick Banal stopping the bout, stopping the fight, and that's the right thing to do.
John Paul Gabonillas is back. And what a way to come back with a 4th round stoppage win over a very game Ramil Roda Jr. Partner, medyo lalabas lang ako ng konti at babalik ako mamaya.
Ikaw na pala.
We'll see each other on the main event.
So Gabonillas again on the winning track, winning this bout. What an explosive fighter, John Paul Gabonillas, winning it with fashion here, defeating Ramil Roda Jr. of the Omega Boxing Stable. Nick Banal stopping the bout.
Before we announce the result, I would like to invite Mayor Palmares of Pasig City to award the championship belt for Big Win. Yes.
So upstairs is Mayor Steve Palmares of the city of Pasig. There you go, ang pagbabalik ni John Paul, angas ng Cebu, Gabonillas. Winning it with a big punch and a big win for John Paul Gabonillas, defeating Ramil Roda Jr. All right, we'll be right back with our co-featured bout of the evening. the WBF Silver Flyweight Championship between Jerick Noynay and Jimuel Arañas. Hang on for that.
With